All right. Good day. I am from Globalize Agency here in Malaysia, and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive your data from Avantage Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Do you have tattoos in your skin?
No, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
No, ma'am.
If you feel unwell or if you think that there is something inside your body, better stay in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem at the same time, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this your first time working abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
Ma'am, because of the high salary to give my better future for my family.
Why you didn't choose to go Singapore or Hong Kong?
Because of the ma'am, um, sa the is the self processing, ma'am.
All
The
right.
highest.
Can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Yes. Good day, ma'am. My name is Angie Espineda. I'm a 25 years old and I am married. I have two kids. Their ages are 3 years old and 1 year old, and I am a high school graduate. And I have experience as a housemaid here in Philippines since 2022 to 2024. And my main duties is cleaning the house, ironing, washing the clothes, car washing, and sometimes I'm cooking. Thank you, mom.
All right. I need to know some few more details from you first. You are married, right?
Yes, ma'am.
How old is your husband and what is his occupation?
Her, her, his age is 28, ma'am, and her work now is merchandiser.
All right. When is your birthday?
July 28, 1997.
Your birthday, ah? It's not your husband's birthday.
My birthday, ma'am, is February 2, 2001.
February 2001. What
Yes,
is
ma'am.
your height and your weight?
My height, ma'am, is 164 cm and my weight is 57.
What is your religion?
Catholic, ma'am.
What about your educational background?
High school graduate, ma'am.
All right. So who will going to take care of your children? Your children is still young, you know, three and
Yes, ma'am.
1 years old. Do you think you can finish your 2 years contract?
Yes, ma'am.
Who will going to take care of them?
My husband, ma'am, and my mother-in-law.
How old is your mother-in-law and what is her occupation?
Her, her age is 54. There's no work.
Housewife. Okay, how many brother and sister do you have?
My brother is one and my sister is three.
What is your rank in your family?
Two, ma'am.
You're the second. What about your father and your mother?
My father is died,
What about
and
your mother?
my mother is she have another family.
All right. So your husband allowed you to come and work here in Malaysia. We don't have any problem.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you think you can finish your 2 years contract?
Yes, ma'am.
You will going to work quite far away from your family and you still got a young kids which is 3 and 1 years old. 1 year old. Do you think you can survive?
Yes, ma'am.
This is a 2 years contract and you cannot simply say you wanted to go back home because you miss your family or any uncertain situations that happen to your family back in the Philippines. Or once you terminate a contract, you know there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer. And at the same time, the agency, as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia.
It's okay, ma'am. I understand that.
All right. So after 2024, do you have any working experience?
No, ma'am, because I'm pregnant and
So until now, you are a full-time mother, is it?
yes, ma'am.
You know that working in Malaysia is not that so easy, and most especially this is your first time working abroad. Homesickness will frequently attack you. Then how will you gonna handle it later?
I can handle it, ma'am. I will focus my work, and after my work, I will call my family, ma'am.
You know that being a domestic helper is a very tough one. This is not an easy job.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
Houses here is very big one, no joke. Employers here is very particular when it comes of cleanliness. You need to expect those unexpected things. You need to be flexible and you need to be multitasking. Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
No, ma'am.
It's okay. Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. As I have mentioned, once you terminate your contract, and this is a 2 years contract, there will be a consequences, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
You cannot hold your phone for 24 hours, but instead you can hold it during nighttime only. After you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will
Yes,
going
ma'am.
to stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with our rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am.
We don't force people to come here. If you agree, it's fine. If you disagree, it's fine also. You can stay in the Philippines or find job opportunities into other countries. Remind yourself when you wanted to come and work abroad because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted to give a better future for your children also at the same time. Any problems, any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years. All you need to do is just respect and follow the rules and regulations of the employer.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. What will you do if you miss your family or homesickness strikes you?
After my work, ma'am, I will call them.
You will call.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, how are you gonna convince me that you can finish your 2 years contract?
I am a hard work mom, and I am honest. Honest.
Are you sure you are honest?
Yes, ma'am.
I think that's all for now, Angie. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Globalize agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay?
Yes,
Thank you
ma'am.
so
Thank
much
you,
and
ma'am.
have a good day. Bye.